Right, back again with another interesting find. This is the circuit that I've been using. It's very simple, basic and easy to understand. I'm using a solar power at the solar circuit at the moment, solar panel, which is 13 volts. It goes just over 13 volts. It's homemade, completely homemade, out of broken cells. So it's very, very cheap, and yeah, the light out there today is totally overcast, so the power output is not that good, but if you can hear that, the Bedini circuit is in oscillation. There's no moving parts at all, and I found it worked quite well with more magnets. I seem to get a deeper interference, which is pretty good. But listen to this. As I change the potentiometer, all I've got is two Bedini motors, one paralleled into the other, so the output goes directly into Bedini 2, and all I've got between them is a capacitor, a 450 volt capacitor, just to see how much I can really whack out, and an LED. And if I'll do that in a minute, but it's totally in oscillation. But listen to this, as I change the potentiometer on Bedini 2, listen to the frequency change. Now look what's happening. Now again, Bedini 1 paralleled into Bedini 2, and this light is being harvested off the emitter and the collector. Now, like I was saying, all I've got between the two is that capacitor and this LED, and I see how bright this is. You hear the frequency change there, but that is actually brighter than it would normally produce off of my fully charged 12 volt battery. That's pretty incredible, and that's just oscillating through a solar panel into the Bedini motor, and that is it. So if I turn this off, and you can see and hear the frequency changed, and the neon is no longer receiving enough power to light itself. But if I turn, there you go, she fires back up. A very good frequency. And I can actually change this potentiometer here on Bedini 2. You can hear it bottle out. As I turn it back up again, there you go. If I adjust this one, I can bank it right out. It will just completely stop if I go too far. But I'll put it over here so you can hear it better. The frequency of the light is changing in sync with that sound. And that's it, completely, I'd have to move it now to get it. So there, you can see the power is there. That will not light without 90 volts. It needs 90 volts to power itself up. So it's just showing you that there's juice there and plenty of it. That'll give you a whack, like if you stuck it in a capacitor. But yeah, there's nothing on the output. If I put something on the output of Bedini 2, it will start charging. So there's nothing on the output at all, and it's just the basic, again, the Bedini circuit, and all I've got in line is the LED, just a power test really, and the capacitor for maximum voltage output. And I have had Bedini 1 has 153 volts in it. I actually I blacked out a bit on my board where I shorted the two ends. I didn't realise that I just didn't realise what I was doing. So I was a bit excited and taken back by 153 volts showing up on my meter really. So yeah, there you go. Very interesting. Paralleled Bedini motors, poking things where they're not meant to go, doing what you're not meant to do, and getting interesting results all the same. So there's the schematics once again, and I'll leave you with that, and have fun, and thanks for watching.